At long last, another unboxing video, and if I'm right about the content, in this little box there should be even less. So don't ask me about the box size, how they choose their packaging. I guess it's one of those one size fits all deals. Yeah, what did I tell you? And yeah, this is probably just the invoice. Off screen, yes it is. And we have here a RØDE smartLav Plus, so a lavalier microphone. Another, oh not another, but maybe my second serious and feeble attempt to improve the sound quality in my videos. I mean, it's not that bad, but yeah, I'll show you what I'm currently using, and of course we make a review and a comparison, but yeah, I guess there will be not much in there. Nope. So, oh, we have a warning, strangulation hazard. No, really, strangulation hazard. And can I get this off without killing the microphone right away? And am I still in focus? Yes, I am. Something else in here? Ah, yeah. The clip and... oh, there's more. Velcro strip. Okay. The guide, Velcro strip, and yeah. Okay. Quick start guide from RØDE. Okay. So I don't know. Yeah, let's just unwrap that here, and I will measure the length in a second. Okay, it's a cable and it's thin, and I guess we need, where's it? This clip here. And this goes where and how? Other side. Okay. Oh. Yeah, let me think about that. It's all in pictures. It's like building, you know, something from IKEA. Okay, I do it. I can always time-lapse the whole thing. Okay, this is just, you know, anti-wind, anti-pop thingy that goes on top. And okay, I will zoom down. And this should go in here. Which is quite easy. Okay, great. Then we loop the cable through here. Really, they could have pre-installed it somehow, I guess. And then we loop the cable around. here. Okay, I guess that's it. And I also guess that this double loop here holding the cable in is to prevent any mechanical impacts on the cable not propagating into the microphone, which is an annoyance with my current solution. Okay. Yeah, that looks about right. Only the mic here mounted on cloth doesn't look anything. Oh yes, it does. Okay, my bad. So let's put that thingy back on. And okay. And we assembled our Rode. And now let me take some measurements and I come back to you. So after looping the cable around here, you still have a full meter of cable until here. So yeah, this is more than sufficient, so a little more than a meter of cable. The cable itself is very thin. At least it looks very thin. It's about 1.5 millimeters. For comparison, the my old style iPhone headset has an 1.8 millimeter cable. And yeah, we can drag this out forever, but let's compare that to something I have here, like my iPhone headset and my other iPhone headset, and I think somewhere I have a BlackBerry headset. Yeah. Okay, so here are the candidates for the Shootout, and we need to forget about the BlackBerry because BlackBerry has a 3-pin 2.5 millimeter connector, while everybody else uses 4-pin 3.5 millimeter connectors. But I might use the clip that came with it. I have the old style Apple headsets, which are no longer sold, but I'm using one right now as a lapel mic. You will see in a second. We have these new style Apple headset. They call it EarPod, I think, or something like that. Or is it just the wireless stuff? I don't like them, but yeah, I'll try them anyway. And of course, we have the Rode smartLav 2. And yeah, I will do, maybe 3 test runs. First, a little bit bang on the cable, how that works out, how much is transferred into the microphone. And then talking with my head level, I will give you a frontal for that, and then talking with my head down. So you will hear old Apple, new Apple, Rode smartLav, and then old Apple again, so you have a direct comparison between each of the pairs. I hope I got that right. You will see in the video. So that's the old style Apple headset, which I turned into a lavalier microphone by just gluing that clip onto it. And yeah, if you fumble around with the cable, I noticed that this is very strongly transmitted into the microphone. We'll see. That's the new style Apple headset. Yeah, the maybe EarPods, and yeah, if I fumble around with the cable, you see I already copied the trick from the smartLav, so yeah, maybe that's not a fair comparison to my old one, but anyway. And here's the Rode smartLav Plus with the professional cable management, and I can, yeah, fumble around with the cable. It should take that, and I can even, yeah, try to ping the cable. We'll see if you can hear that. Please note, this is really just a microphone. If you want to monitor the sound at the same time, you need additional equipment, yeah, like a splitter for these little connectors, 1 into 2, and yeah, something else to plug into your ears. Now I will start a series of sound tests. It will be 2 times 4 clips, and the first and the last one in each series will be duplicated, so watch out. Talking with the head level. 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 Talking with the head down. 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 To be honest, I couldn't really hear a difference between the 3 when I listened to the Soundbites for the first time, just with some cheap monitor speakers on my PC while cutting the video. After a dozen times or so and switching to some better headsets, I really can tell that the smartLav is a little bit stronger at the lower frequency range. Yeah, it has, some people would say, a fuller sound, while the Apple headsets, they are more a wee bit high pitched, and I really couldn't tell a difference between the old style and the new style Apple headset. More important, the output level of the smartLav is about 2 to 4 decibels higher than the Apple headsets, and that results definitely in less noise. I can't be more specific about the decibels because I have neither the hardware nor the software to measure that exactly, but just judging from how I had to increase or decrease the level of the recording in the cutting software, I can say, yeah, between 2 and 4 decibels. So I might actually switch to the smartLav and buy an adapter so you can actually plug in 2 things in to my recording device. But what's your opinion? What sounds better to you on YouTube? I mean, that's the important thing in the end. So please leave comments, a lot of comments down below. And yeah, till next time, bye.